How to create a SquareUp account. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a SquareUp account. First, you need to open your web browser and then you have to search for SquareUp signup. And once you search for SquareUp, you can see this link right here that says sign up for SquareUp. So just open the link and it will take you to this page where you will have to enter your email address, set up your password, and your language. So I'm just going to quickly enter my email and password. As you can see, now I have set up my email and my password as well. Now just check on this box to agree to Square's terms and services and just click on continue. And here it will ask you for your business name, so you can just enter the name of your business, something like this, and what kind of business do you run. Here you have different choices that you can choose from, and I'm just gonna choose like this and click on start using SquareUp. And now it's loading our dashboard. As you can see, now I have been logged in on my dashboard, and from here I can manage everything and I can set up my shop, the items and everything. So this is how you basically sign up for SquareUp. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.